Hi, Miss Tilly here, and I would love to help you bring bedtime math into your homes. So, we all know that reading to our children is really important, but we don't always know how to engage them in mathematical thinking. Well, bedtime math is really a wonderful way to talk to your children about math and about numbers in an interesting way. Bedtime Math happens to also have an app, which is free, which I use at home with my children. And I happen to have one of their books, which I'm going to share with you today. Every night, if you would like, you can take one of these bedtime math videos and show them to your children and have a conversation about math. You know, they always used to say that counting sheep was a great way to help you fall asleep. So bedtime math is a great way to get your children thinking about numbers and helping them relax. So chapter 1 is what's in you. So I'm just going to do one with you. Stick people. It's a good thing your body has bones inside it, or you won't be able to sit, stand, or do cartwheels. You'd just collapse to the floor like a melted marshmallow. Thankfully, your body has over 200 bones, and they don't just hold you up. The biggest bone of all is in the top half of your leg called the femur, which does hold you up. But the teeniest bones in your body, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup inside your ear, actually help you hear. We're lucky that each bone does its own thing. Otherwise, you might have to walk on your fingers or write with your nose. So the first question is for the wee ones. There's no age on this because this isn't really about age. It's just, something that you can offer up to your children and see what they can do. So for wee ones, each of your fingers has 3 bones, but each toe has only 2. Which one has more bones, your finger or your toe? For little kids, you were born without real kneecaps. They start out mushy and don't harden until age 4 or 5. If you have 3 babies and 2 grown-ups in the room, how many real kneecaps are there? Each person has 2 legs, but only some kneecaps count. And then for big kids, your thumb is actually your longest finger. It has 3 bones like the others, but the 3rd bone is hidden inside your hand. How many bones do your 5 fingers on one hand have in total? And then here's a bonus question. We're all born with more bones than we end up with. Since many bones grow together over time, if you started with 350 bones and now have 206, how many more did you start with? So each day I'm going to read to you one of these stories from Bedtime Math. And whenever your children's bedtime is, you can share with them. So I hope you'll join me in bringing some bedtime math into your homes. Thank you.